Say goodbye to creased clothes with this Beko tumble dryer thanks to automatic anti-creasing functions. With a B energy rating, this appliance is up to 10% more energy efficient than standard C-rated models, so you can save money on your energy bills. The sensor drying programs cleverly identify the levels of moisture in the drum and automatically stop when the desired dryness level is achieved. It prevents over-drying, saves you time, money, and provides a better protection for your clothes. With a wide range of special care programs to choose from, you can be sure there's one that will suit your needs. Whether you're drying delicates, shirts, or jeans, your clothes will be dried with the utmost care. This tumble dryer from Beko with a large door for easy loading and unloading will be a great partner to your washing machine.